So what I have here are these gel toe separators. Now what happens is when you wear tight shoes, it really clamps down on all of your toes and not only makes it super uncomfortable, but you end up developing issues later. And these toe separators really help to open up those spaces in between your toes. This is super comfortable to wear and it just feels really great inside. So let me show you what it looks like. You can see this is the curve. The bigger side goes for your bigger toe. So what you can do is just open it up. They are super flexible. Slide it over your toe and then slide it over each one of your other toes. It is super quick to do, and once you get them all inside, they feel super relaxing. So you can see this, just slide them down to the base of your toes and you'll see that this is what they look like. It is helping nicely spread them out. You can wear them with socks or shoes and they feel absolutely amazing. After the first few days of wearing them, they'll feel a little bit uncomfortable, but after a while you'll get used to it and it will really start to help. So if you're looking for a toe separator, I would highly check these out. They're super comfortable to wear and I've just been really enjoying them.